Tan of 90 degrees times tan of 81 degrees is uno. And to prove it is actually quite simple. Let me show you. Now there's many ways to prove this. I'm going to convert tan into sine and cos because they're easier to work with. Now tan can easily be written in terms of sine and cos when we look at a right angled triangle with hypotenuse 1. The sine function measures how long the opposite side is, and the cosine function measures how long the adjacent side is. Now tan is the opposite divided by the adjacent, meaning tan can be rewritten as sine divided by cos. So let's rewrite these functions in terms of sine and cos. The next thing we need to do is rewrite one of these functions so that the angles are the same. And we can use something really cool here known as the acute angle transformations. Okay, how does it work? If I have a triangle with an angle of 9 degrees, and then I just label this A, B, C. Using angles in the triangle, adding up to 180 degrees, if this is 9, that's 90, this is 81 degrees. Now if I do sine of 9, it's the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. But I could have got this B over C by using this angle and doing cos. Cos of 81 degrees is the adjacent side, which is the length between the angle and the right angle, divided by the hypotenuse, B over C. Meaning, sine of 9 is the same as cos of 81. So sine of 9 is the same as cos of 81. And similarly, cos of 9, which is A over C, would be the same as sine of 81, which is also A over C. So now, replacing, we have sine of 9 is cos of 81 degrees, divided by cos of 9 is sine of 81 degrees times sine 81 over cos 81. And what do you notice? Cos 81 divided by cos 81 divides to give you uno, and sine 81 divides into sine 81 once. 1 times 1 is uno. Nice. Save this video and share it with a friend who you think would benefit from this information.